How to convert text to voice for shorts reels. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Chrome browser. Once you click here you guys will search for Love Voice AI. So I will simply search for Love Voice AI. Once I search for that, simply click on that first website. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. If you didn't log in, you guys will simply click on top right corner three lines and sign up. Once you sign up, here you guys will simply paste your script. Once you paste script, here you guys will simply select language of script, and after that you guys can select voice. For example, I am selecting Eric. You guys can select your favorite. After that you guys simply click on generate audio. After some seconds our text will be converted to audio. Here we go, let's listen it.
Emma found an old letter inside her grandma's diary.
For downloading that voice, you guys will simply click on that download option, and that's it. Thanks for watching.